morning, good afternoon. Say hello, Chiki. Hello! It's Wednesday, June 8, and ngayon, aalis kami. Hulaan niyo kung sino kasama ko. By the way, I'm using this perfume. Ito yung sa Shopee, yung inspired perfume. This one is 147. So, ayun na nga, guys. So, for today, aalis kami ni JP. Ayun. Usually, si Mama yung naghahatid sa amin. Like, kung saan kami pupunta, ganyan. Pero today, hindi niya kami mahahatid kasi may gagawin siya dito sa bahay. So, hindi siya pwede umalis. So, mag-co-commute kami. Fun fact. Actually, hindi siya fun fact. Bad fact about me. Hindi ako marunong mag-commute. Dan talaga ako pinapayagan ni Mami mag-commute. And ayun, ngayon, tatanga-tanga ako sa mga commute. Hindi ako marunong sa daan. So, and ayan guys, this is my outfit lang. So, I'm wearing this black top from Shein. This pants. Parang feel ko ito na lagi sinusuot ko. Pero, ayan. And then for my shoes, I'm just wearing my Converse. Ngayon ko na lang ulit nasuot to. So, yeah. Nasa ano kami? We're in Peri Peri.
Peri Peri.
Peri Peri.
Peri squared.
So, dito kami, kakain kami. Thumbnail. I will explain kung bakit kami lumabas ngayon. Lumabas kami ngayon kasi birthday celebration niya. Like, early birthday celebration. Kasi sa June 12, 18 na siya. Kapag in-upload ko, 18 na siya. Update ko kayo pag yung food nandito. We'll eat.
Hello. So, wala sa Mela. Sound good. Oh. Bigla kasi kumabati. Kami ng pwesto. Smile! Parang yung mga kontrabida sa ano, sa Disney. Sa Victor magtanggol.
Bye-bye! So guys, I have here my newly washed na mga damit, ganyan. And hindi ko pa sila naaasikaso. As in, parang mga 3 days na sila nasa gilid ng walk-in ko. So ngayon, itutupi ko sila ulit kasi yung iba dito nagkagulo-gulo na, ganyan. So yun guys, tutupi ko lang itong mga clothes ko and then nalagay ko sila sa drawer. So guys, tapos na ako magtupi. And I know, hindi maganda yung tupi ko. Kasi hindi talaga ako magaling magtupi, guys. As in, pero okay lang yan. Lalagay ko rin naman yan. Susot ko rin naman yan. now I'm organizing my month. Like, yung mga schedule ko, yung mga kailangan kong gawin, yung mga gusto kong gawin, ganyan. And I'm still using my Lula planner. Nakakalahati ko na siya actually. And first time ko ata makakalahati ng planner. Kasi usually kapag bumibili ako ng planner, like sa una lang, tapos wala na, natama rin ako. Pero this one, consistent ako with this one, guys. Ayun lang, guys. So, yeah. Nakalan ba yun? Time check, it's 9:29 p.m. and I cooked some ramen. Ito yung favorite kong cheese ramen. Pero ayun na nga, nanonood kasi kami ng Stranger Things ni JP. Simula kaninang hapon, simula ngayon. As in, natapos namin yung season 1 kanina. And then ngayon, episode 3 na ata kami ng season 2. Kung di nyo pa napapanood yung Stranger Things, it's your sign to watch it. Say hello!
Episode 4 na tayo. Wag na ka na.
Oh my. Hi guys, good morning. It's 7:30 a.m. Medyo maaga today. Ayan, may tumitila ako pang manok. Kung bakit ako maaga nagising. Kasi pupunta ako sa birthday celebration ni JP. It's actually gonna be like a pool party ganyan. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna leave around 8 a.m. So I have 30 minutes to get ready. And ayun guys, sobrang excited ko for this party, eme. Kasi nandun sila Jem, nandun si Denden, and all of my other friends are gonna be there. So it's gonna be fun and parang, ayun, parang first ganap ko to with my friends this summer. So, and now I'm just gonna use this toner from Snailwhite. This is their Glow Potion HA/BHA toner. Kasi guys, lately, napansin ko na bumabalik yung mga blackheads ko sa nose. Like, around here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, I have blackheads. May whiteheads din ako dyan, guys. And sobrang napapraning ako kasi napabother ako kapag like, nag-a-apply ako ng makeup, nakikita ko sila ganyan. So, this toner is really perfect for that type of skin concern. And guys, what I do with this one is I just get a cotton pad and then a generous amount of the product. Or guys, if you don't have cotton pads, you can directly use your hands. Just make sure they're clean and then pat-pat nyo lang siya. Pero ako, I usually prefer with a cotton pad and I usually go upward motion with my toner kasi parang prevent din yung wrinkles, ganyan. I love this toner because it doesn't have any alcohol content, so it doesn't dry up your face. Kasi may mga na-try akong toner before na may alcohol content sa kanila and sobrang like nagfi-flake up, nagdi-dry up yung skin ko. So, we don't want that on our face or we don't want that in our skincare product. And guys, this toner kasi it's like a multitasking toner. Like, it can exfoliate your face, it can remove the dead skin cells, it can hydrate your face. After using it for like almost 2 weeks now, I can really see na nalilesen niya yung blackheads ko, ganyan, yung mga pores ko, and yun talaga yung skin concern ko ngayon. The smell of this, guys, is not too strong as well, so we don't want any strong fragrances on our skincare. So, very mild lang siya. So, perfect for everyday use talaga and perfect for like teenagers like me na nagsistart off pa lang sa skincare. So, I highly suggest this, guys, sa inyo. Hi, Luna! Luna is saying hi, guys. This one, like any other Snailwhite products, this is powered with the Snailwhite Potion. So, talagang may even out nyo yung skin tone nyo. Kaya nalalighten up nyo yung mga dark marks, ganyan. So, perfect rin to if you have like dark spots on your face caused by acne, ganyan. And guys, yung ingredients ng toner na to, I swear, sobrang nagulat ako kasi lahat ng mga favorite ingredients ko, such as witch hazel, HA, BHA, tas hyaluronic acid, yun yung mga favorite ingredients ko when it comes to skincare products. And, ayan, basta lalagay ko sila dito, guys, and ma-amaze kayo kasi sobrang ganda ng ingredient list niya. And guys, if you have skin concerns such as visible pores, blackheads, whiteheads, kung na-feel nyo na medyo rough yung skin nyo, kung medyo dull yung skin nyo, this toner is the best for you, I swear guys. No joke, promise. So, sobrang visible talaga ng glow, as in para ako naka-highlighter, pero guys, I swear yan talaga yung skin ko, hindi rin siya sticky on the face. If you want to try this out, they come in the 150 ml and this one costs around 395 pesos. So, very affordable siya. And guys, I super love it also na meron silang mini size or like a travel size, and this one costs around 155 pesos. Very affordable, under 200 pesos lang siya. And super like ko to kasi may upcoming beach trip ako guys. So, abangan nyo yun sa vlog. Pero sana matuloy siya. Sana hindi ko siya nabate. Pero for sure, dadalhin ko to kasi very compact lang siya. Like, super cute niya. Kasya-kasya siya sa makeup bag ko, sa skincare bag ko, or sa purse ko. So, ayan, ito para sa bahay to, and ito for traveling siya, ganyan. And ayun guys, I'm done na with my skincare. As you can see, very glowy lang tayo for today's video. Pero ayan, I'm gonna go na. I'm gonna get my things ready na, and then I'm gonna pick up my friend, and then we're gonna go na sa venue or sa place kung saan kami magpa-party or like magse-celebrate ng birthday. Pero ayun, I'll see you guys later.
I know I'm not your type of guy. I feel that it's because I'm shy. But honey, let me prove that I am, that I could show you that we're supposed to be. La 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 la. Rather strange. Not used to loving, it's a change. Honey, let me love you like I could show you that we're supposed to be.